this might make an interesting video. We bought this camper, 2008 Crafty, last year. It's quite nice because it's not a big white garish thing. But when it came, I'll put a picture up, it had an L-shaped seat just here, and the seat belts were bolted to this 12mm, 15mm ply. Didn't quite like that, so fitted that and put our little girl seat there, so when that table comes down, so it's just there, we can sit and eat. Then in the back here, just flip the lights on. It's got a double bunk at the top, but my eldest is a bit too tall to go that way, so I made a little piece here so she can sleep lengthways or across. And there's a double under here. Flip this on. There's a double under here. So that's all stayed the same. I'm not changing anything on there apart from obviously the bit above. This here, we use this as our clothes cupboard. This stereo went all the way across, which kind of pointless, and it was down to here. It's pointless. So I shoved the stereo across that way. Now I've got our own little clothes baskets that can fit in there. Yeah, that didn't work. Food cupboard had two shelves in, which was kind of a bit useless, so I stuck another two shelves in and got these little slide out baskets. Fridge, just amazing, all works on the electric. This here, this is the new modification for over winter. I'm going to turn this into a proper toilet, not a proper toilet, proper a toilet that we can use when we're out and about, rather than having to rely on services and things. But instead of going for this chemical thing, I think we're going to try composting type toilet. Plus I want to put a little fan and extractor out here so we can use it as a bit of a drying room, because last time we went out got soaked and nowhere to dry the clothes, so that'll work quite well. So we've got what have we got here? We've got onboard propane, no we haven't, onboard LPG system, hot water tank, like on demand hot water, solar 150 watt solar panel on the roof, which feeds two 120 amp hour batteries under the seat there. We're never really short of power. I'm not sure what other modifications we need to do. I'm going to put some lights in there, another light under that cupboard. We did have an oven on there, but that didn't work for us either. Just wasted space. I need to get some bigger tyres. Don't need to. We want to get some bigger tyres, some off-roady type stuff. Let us know in the comments what you think, if you want to follow a few little modifications as we go through this. It's constantly evolving into something else. Let me know in the comments if you want us to carry on with it.